Hello everybody, it's Chris from the Gunpla Network, and it's time for your Gunpla Network news for July 5th, 2018. Don't forget to enter the Gunpla Network SD build-off. I look forward to seeing all the entries. We have a huge list of kits to go through this time, so let's get at it. Okay, to start off, we have a HGCB 1144 Machine Rider. We have a release date of August of 2018 with a price of 1296 yen. This looks like a transformable motorcycle of some kind, and I think it looks really cool. Next up, we have the GBT RG 1144 Unicorn Gundam. This one has a gold coating. It has a release date of August 10th, 2018 with a list price of 8640 yen. Next up, we have an HGBD Gundam 00 Sky. The release date for this is August 2018 with a list price of 1620 yen. Also, we have a HGBD Gundam 00 Sky, higher than Sky Phase. We have a release date of August of 2018 with a list price of 2376 yen. Next, we have a HGBD 1144 Jegan Blastmaster. This has a release date of September 2018 with a list price of 2160 yen. They've combined a Jegan with the Moon Blasters from the Gundam X, two of my favorite kits. I'll definitely be picking this guy up. Alright, next we have a HGBD 1144 Impulse Gundam Lancier. This will be released September 2018 with a price of 2052 yen. Next we have the HGBD 1144 Impulse Gundam Arc. This will be released September of 2018 with a price of 2052 yen. Next we have the HGBD 1144 Astray No Name. This has a release of August 2018 with a price of 1944 yen. Next we have a HG 1144 Jegan Ultron. This has a release date of July 2018 with a list price of 1944 yen. And now we have an HG 1144 GM Guard Custom. This will be released July 2018 with a price of 1944 yen. Now we have an IBO, we have a HG 1144 Astaroth Renacimento Iron Blood Coating. I may have mispronounced that, forgive me please. We have a release date of July 2018 with a list price of 3780 yen. And now we have a Master Grade 1100 Jegan. A release date of July 2018 and a price of 4320 yen. I have many Jegans in my collection, and this Master Grade will also be in it as well. And now we have an MG1100 Sazabi version cost special coating. This is a Gundam-based Tokyo limited edition and it will be released July 2018 with a list price of 19,440 yen. And now we have a P Bandai release. It's a MG1100 RGM 79 GM White Dingo. This will be released September 2018 with a list price of 3720 yen. We have another P Bandai. It's a MG1100 RGC 80 GM Cannon White Dingo. This will also be released September 2018 for 4320 yen. And finally, we have a P Bandai Master Grade 1100 Gundam Stormbringer. This will be released September of 2018 with a list price of 5,400 yen. Here are the top 5 builds of the week for Gunpla Network for July 5th, 2018. In 5th place, we have Ben Iron and his Kshatriya custom. In 4th place, we have Joe Chuang and his 172 Jagdoga. In 3rd place, we have Bella Wang and her custom HG Kshatriya. In 2nd place, we have Sing Chui and his Zegok hanger. In 1st place, we have Alex Wijaya and his Zaku tank. And now it's time for your Gunpla Network updates. On the website, we have a review of the SDCX RX-78-2 Cross Silhouette Set. Also on Gunpla Network, we have a review of the SDCS Crossbone Gundam X1. On YouTube, we have an unboxing of the P Bandai RG-1144 Exia Trans Am. Also on YouTube, we have a first look at the HG-UC-1144 Afrit Schneid. We have information regarding the new Gunpla haul and prizes for the SD build-off. Also on YouTube, we have an unboxing of the MG-1100 F91 2.0. We have a Gunpla Insider video. It's Scott Tiller interviews James Denise, the 2nd place GBWC Australia 2017 winner. And finally, on YouTube, we have a first look at the SDCS Crossbone Gundam X1. That's it for your Gunpla Network news for July 5th, 2018. I look forward to seeing all the entries in the SD build-off, and as usual, keep building Gunpla.